let's get jumped into the video. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to easily change the color of anything in Lightroom app. So without wasting any time, let's get jumped into the video.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. Through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
For watching my video, make sure you subscribe my channel and stay home, be safe. अभी के लिए bye. Hello guys.